About this item: honeycomb cushioning wrap, roll size 15-inch x 131 feet, 1 roll, comes with 20 fragile stickers labels. Material: eco-friendly 100% biodegradable craft paper, color, natural brown. Honeycomb buffer paper can be used for wine box packaging, artwork, ceramics, glass products, glassware, vases, cups, plates, silverware, holiday gifts and exquisite high-end packaging. Provide perfect protection. Honeycomb wrapping paper can reduce product damage during express transportation, provide good cushioning effect. This packing wrap can be used for wrapping, prevent scratches during moving/shipping. Easy to use, no tools needed, 4 steps to wrap your items effectively. 1. Fully pull out the honeycomb structure. 2. Wrap your items, more layers, more protection. 3. Tear or cut paper. 4. Finished. What you will get: Honeycomb Packing Paper Wrap 15x131.